Assalamualaikum scholars. Hope you are all in good health and welcome to my channel The Competitive Scholar. Students often get confused between housing community and economic development. But today I'll explain the topic housing community and economic development very easily and very clearly that you'll never forget it. So be with me to complete that topic of town planning and urban management. Housing community and economic development. Both are the interconnected concepts that play a crucial role in shaping urban and rural areas. Housing communities refer to the residential environment where people live, which includes the physical structures like homes and apartments, as well as the social aspects like community organization and neighborhood interactions. Economic development, on the other hand, focus on improving the economic well-being of a community by creating jobs, enhancing income levels, and fostering a sustainable economy. A well-planned housing community can stimulate economic development by attracting business and creating jobs. For example, when new housing development are built, they often lead to increased demand for local services such as grocery stores, schools, and healthcare facilities. This demand can encourage business to open in the area, which not only provides employment opportunities but also enhances the overall quality of life for the residents. Additionally, economical development initiative can impact housing communities by influencing investment in infrastructure, public transportation, and amenities that make neighborhoods more desirable. When communities invest in their housing stock and infrastructure, they can create vibrant environment that attract new residents and business, leading to the cycle of growth and improvement. To prepare professionals within skills and knowledge of equitable development for economic development in housing communities, we have to understand some concepts including understanding equity and inclusion. It should be trained to recognize to address issues related to the equity in housing and economic development. This includes understanding the historical context of housing policies, discrimination, and how these factors have shaped current community dynamics. Training should emphasize the importance of inclusive practices that ensure all community members have access to the resources and all the opportunities. Then community engagement and collaboration comes. The equitable development relies heavily on the involvement of community members in the planning and decision making process. Professionals should be equipped with skills and community engagement such as facility dissemination, conducting surveys, and building partnerships. With local organizations, this ensures that various of diverse community members are heard and considered in development initiatives. Then policy and economic analysis by professionals. So professional needs to develop a strong foundation in policy analysis and economic principle. This includes understanding zoning laws, housing finance, and economic incentives that can promote equitable developed area. Training programs should cover how to analyze data related to housing affordability, income disparities, and employment trends to inform policy recommendations and development strategies. Then, sustainable development practices. Knowledge of sustainable development practices is crucial for creating housing communities that are not only equitable but also environmentally responsible. Professionals should learn about green building practice, energy efficient design, and sustainable urban planning to ensure that development efforts do not susceptible the well-being of future generations. By focusing on these areas, training programs can prepare professionally to effectively contribute to equitable development in housing communities and economic development, fostering environments that promote fairness, sustainability, and resilience. Then come to the next topic, which also collaborate with this topic: commitment to expanding opportunities and providing quality life for disadvantaged group. First one, affordability housing initiative. One of the primary ways to support disadvantaged group is through the development of affordable housing options. These includes implementing policies that encourage the construction of low income housing, providing subsidies or ensuring that housing is accessible to individuals with disabilities. By prioritizing affordable housing, communities can help reduce homelessness and housing insecurity. Then, economic empowerment programs. These efforts should focus on creating job opportunities for disadvantaged groups. This can involve workforce development programs that provide training and skills development tailored to local job market. Additionally, supporting small business and entrepreneurship within the communities can help stimulate economic growth and provide residents with better employment prospects. Then community engagement and advocacy. Engage with disadvantaged group to understand their needs and aspirations is crucial. This can be achieved through community meetings, surveys, and partnership with local organizations that represent the population. Advocacy for policies that address systematic inequalities such as zoning reformers and anti discrimination law is also important to ensure that the voices of disadvantaged communities are heard in the decision making process. So, access to services and amenities, improving access to national services such as healthcare, education, and public transportation is vital for enhancing the quality of life for disadvantaged groups. Economic development strategies should prioritize investment in infrastructure and services that meet the need of their communities, ensuring that residents have the resource necessary to thrive. Okay, till that our topic has been completed. If you have any query, you can ask in comment section and also tell that what should be the next topic. Till that, Allah Hafiz, take care.